Okay, sorry for a short delay. And also welcome from my side after the lunch break. My name is Oliver Tessmann, and I have the pleasure to do this symposium for many years now together with Ulrich Knark and our team. And I'm actually very happy to see so many people joining the morning session. I hope that people will slowly come back after lunch. We will start the afternoon now. And I'm very happy to also have a co-moderator in this afternoon session, which is Gijs van der Velden. And maybe Gijs, you introduce yourself briefly.
Sure. Yeah, Gijs van der Velde, CEO at MX3D, and with MX3D we 3D print pig in metal. I've seen some of the projects come by this morning, but our major project is the bridge project. So for anyone that hasn't seen it, this is the miniature version of that. And well, as you all have been waiting for this moment, but we have just taken out the small bridge that is temporary there is out. And in the next few weeks, we are battling Corona and permit stuff, but placement is underway. So that's really cool.
Yeah, I thought I'm not allowed to ask, but thank you for this comment. Now it's coming. Great.
It is. So I mean, the location was just very problematic. We should have picked an easier place, university terrain or something. But anyway, I have a couple more slides for just before the two speakers I introduce. So yeah, I'm glad to be here.
Thank you very much, Gijs. And